Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share access to Microsoft Forms using the latest Microsoft Forms interface. This is useful if you want your team members to edit the form, view responses, or collaborate with you. Let's get started. First, sign in with your Microsoft account, open the form you want to share. In the top right corner, click on the Collect Responses button. But remember, this option is only for sending the form to respondents. If you want to share editing access, click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Collaborate or Duplicate. You will now see two options. The first option is Share to Collaborate. This allows others to edit the form and view responses. Click Copy Link to generate the collaboration link. You can choose whether anyone with the link can edit or only people in your organization. Send this link to the person you want to give access to. The second option is Share as a Template. This allows others to copy your form but not edit your original version. Choose the option that fits your needs. Once the person opens the collaboration link, they will be able to edit the form and see responses based on the permissions you selected. And that's it. That's how you share access to Microsoft Forms using the latest interface. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated tutorials.